Well, the Tacoma-Pierce County Health Department says a woman may have contracted malaria here in Washington, but she hasn't traveled, so health officials believe this was a local case. KIRO 7's Renji Sinha breaking down the first known case in Washington state this year that did not involve people traveling back to our area.
The Pierce County Health Department says an East Pierce County woman was diagnosed with malaria. Now, this is Lake Tapps Park. In fact, this swampy section is one where mosquitoes could easily find people. There are rivers and streams all around this area in both King and Pierce County. They could be breeding grounds for mosquitoes.
What makes this case different is that the patient hasn't traveled anywhere where we would expect them to have acquired malaria, and so there's a possibility that they acquired malaria here in Pierce County.
Malaria is a disease most people associate with the tropics, and this part of East Pierce County is not the tropics.
As far as we're aware, this would be the first known case in Washington state.
Dr. James Miller says Washington gets about 20 to 70 malaria cases a year, but they're usually travelers bringing it back. A swampy area like this one can help mosquitoes breed, but the health department is going to trap mosquitoes across the county to help ID the source of the malaria.
But there's no guarantee that we'll be able to identify the exact location or that we'll find positive mosquitoes.
The health department does not consider any activities like these boys fishing or locations like Lake Tapps to be an at-risk area.
I don't have too much of a problem here.
Stephanie Aho lives near the lake and says bugs and mosquitoes aren't much of a problem, but malaria, that's a new one.
That's a little scary. I don't know. I don't know that I'm too worried about it. It's not something I can control, so.
Dr. Miller also isn't too worried. He believes it's possible a mosquito here bit someone who brought malaria from somewhere else. That mosquito got malaria and then bit the local woman. Despite the local case, health officials emphasize malaria is not common in Washington or even the United States.
That this will be a one-off situation and that we won't see any further cases of locally acquired malaria in Pierce County for a long time, but this is a very, very rare event.
In Lake Tapps, Renji Sinha, KIRO 7 News.
Elsewhere, the man accused of killing 3 people in